Story Mountain Ranch is truly a rare find with over 214 deeded acres on the eastern slope of the Bighorn Mountains in Sheridan County, Wyoming. Jenks Creek runs through the heart of the property, creating a trout-laden pond, diverse habitat, and fields of dreams. Wild plum and aspen groves accent the rolling terrain, creating a home to elk, game birds, antelope, mule deer, and countless whitetail. The spring-fed pond surrounded by orchard trees in the secluded Jenkins Valley holds monster rainbow trout, hungry to take the fly. Direct flow water rights supplemented by Kearney Lake shares gravity feed a low-cost irrigation system. The high-pressured sprinklers managed with wireless control modules make it easy with automated time schedules. Numerous springs and stretches of ditches add to the lush landscape and rich game food plots. Complementing the deeded land is an additional 320-acre state grazing lease and an adjacent 1,000 acres of public land, which allows direct access to coveted Piney Creek. A short UTV ride brings you to the town of Story, known for its ponderosa pines and the Penrose Park trailhead. Story Mountain Ranch is a blank canvas for the next owner to build an estate that would rival any in northeast Wyoming. Enjoy low taxes, little regulation, and the cowboy lifestyle that rural Wyoming is famous for. Proximity to the Bighorn Equestrian Center, the Powderhorn Golf Community, and the historic town of Sheridan makes its location the top of anyone's list in the Rocky Mountain West.